Are you looking to spice up your Instagram Reels game? Do you want to know how to add multiple videos in one post? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create multi-video Reels that are sure to grab attention. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then swipe right to bring up the camera. And then let's go over to the Reels section. So now you'll see an option called Layout, with a grid icon at the bottom left of the screen. Simply tap on that, and then tap on Change Grid. After that, select a layout that you like. And now all you have to do next is either record your reel or upload them from your gallery. I'm just going to tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left and select something random. As you can see, all of these videos are now playing at the same time on a single reel. So once you added all of the videos to the layout, tap on the check mark at the bottom center of the screen. And it would take quite some time to process your videos, depending on the video quality. All you have to do now is add effects, music, stickers, and other stuff that you normally would when creating your reel and then upload it to Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.